Morning. It is a freezing cold day out here, and I have my father-in-law Richard and my husband Nathan out here to help me. We are cutting down 5 alder trees to make space and light and sunshine for the greenhouse that is going to be built on our property this spring, which is so exciting. So my father-in-law is going to operate the chainsaw. I am willing to cut down a tree that's like I can wrap my hands around. After that, it just scares me. Feels like there's too many question marks. And we're just gonna get this all trimmed up. We've got a rope, gonna pull this tree down. Here we go. Oh shit. Well, that landed perfectly. With the butts like this, because I'm gonna get a chipper eventually to shred all of that into mulch. Pull fucking hard. Yeah, he doesn't have very far to go. It's going, it's going. Oh, jeez. Oh, shit, it's going towards Richard. Oh, God. Whoa. Okay. Well, it didn't really go as planned, but at least it didn't land on the house. tried to capture as much of that on footage as I possibly could. My father-in-law is a saint for spending his Saturday. Sorry. My father-in-law is just a saint for spending his Saturday helping us cut down those 5 alder trees. Looks like we're gonna maybe take down 2 more. These 2 right here, but they're really tall and they're leaning towards my neighbors, so we're gonna have another person who's really expert tree takedown person. Our friend Joe, who helped us actually over a year ago take down quite a few trees on that side of our property. He works for the Forest Service. He's going to help us out hopefully with those ones in a couple weeks. This is our pile of wood that has yet to be chopped into pieces that are good for splitting. So like this log just needs to be split in half and then we can split it, put it back in the wood pile. So this will be dealt with at a later date. As you can see here, first tree, number 1, and that little guy we took down a little bit ago, took that out. This was tree number 2. Right here, we'll also, when we come back to split these, we will also come back and take these down so that they look finished off and done. But we were just all running out of steam today. This guy is the one that took us did a little spin and landed kind of in the garden bed there. Luckily, I had just done my salmonberry removal project, and this whole section was full of salmonberries. It is gone. We took that giant pile that we had there to the yard waste already. So that was nice to have that completed because that is exactly where the tree fell, and it would have been a giant pain in the butt to dig through the salmonberries to get all those branches out. And then we took these 2 down. That one in the back was actually surprisingly hard because all of the branches were really tangled up in this evergreen area. This is the pile of branches that are basically 2 or 3 inches and smaller. I have rented a wood chipper from a local company in town multiple times. This is basically as big as, this is like my hand for reference. This is basically as big of a piece as I can safely put into the wood chipper. So all the pieces that are about this size, most of the branches on the tree, these are all gonna get chipped this spring. Once the snow melts, I'll come out here, I'll rent the chipper, pull it up with the truck, back it up, and then I can mulch this entire area. And then alder tree mulch is really good for the garden beds. So overall, I'm very happy with what we got accomplished today. It felt like a lot of work. I'm going to be feeling it tonight. Richard left. He said that he was going to go home, sit in his hot tub. Nathan and I thought we should get our hot tub going too, so we are going to work on that. We loaded up all the wood that we did cut up into pieces that are ready to be split and used for firewood. We hauled them up in the truck, backed them up into our backyard area. And because there's just so much snow on the ground, we're just going to leave it all in this big pile. So this, plus the stuff in the front, is about 5 alder trees worth. This is all of our current wood pile that we're using for hot tub and cold dip. And this is the other pile wood that we have from previous splitting. Is your back gonna hurt you today? Yes. Yeah, mine too. Nuka got to help out most of the day. Well, she wasn't really helpful, but she enjoyed the snow. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you later.